Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value. Area high, VAH, 7,169, the rim of the canyon. Stay above this, and the bulls are riding for the sunset. Value area low, VAL, 7,132, the floor of the saloon. If price falls through here, a brawl is definitely breaking out. Point of control, POC, 7,150, the town square where the most wagons have been hitched today. Support zone, 7,132 to 7,140, a sturdy barricade of crates and barrels where buyers are digging in. Resistance zone, 7,169 to 7,180, a steep ridge defended by snipers. Hard to cross without a serious charge. Single prints, escape paths. Lower, 7,125 to 7,131, a narrow animal trail. If price slips here, expect a quick gallop to lower ground. Upper, 7,185 to 7,202, the high plains. Clearing this means the trail is open for a long ride. Market context. The current session is behaving like a standoff at high noon. Price is circling the 7,150 level without a clear victor. While the CVD shows a positive net flow of 21,050, the overall trend suggests the posse is getting tired after yesterday's ride, leading to a choppy range between the canyon walls. 3-day march through the frontier. Day 3, April 28th. POC 7,210. High 7,223. Low 7,146. The bulls owned the ranch until a late day ambush. Day 2, April 29th. POC 7,162. High 7,196. Low 7,131. Price retreated to the lower camp as the dust settled. Day 1, April 30th. POC 7,150. High 7,202. Low 7,134. A balancing act in the desert with buyers and sellers sharing the same canteen. Value has been drifting lower like a tumbleweed, but today's stability suggests the trail might be leveling out. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta. CVD breakdown. Session open. CVD 4,480. The morning began with a small group of riders heading north. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD 25,728. A massive surge of buyers charged the gates mid-session. Current CVD 21,050, which is positive 16,570 from the start, though the momentum has slowed as riders head to the saloon. Intraday low. CVD negative 26,838. A moment where the bears tried to run the town before being chased off. Interpretation. The buyers are currently holding the town square, but the failure to stay at peak CVD levels suggests they might be losing their nerve. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL, 7,132 to 7,140. Stop loss, below the dusty floor at 7,128. 4 ticks beneath VAL, or use a volatility base buffer. Profit target, first stop at the town square, POC, 7,150. Final target at the canyon rim, VAH, 7,169. Short trades. Entry zone, rejection of the high ridge phi, AH, 7,169 to 7,180. Stop loss, above the ridge at 7,185 or 6 points above entry. Profit target, return to the POC at 7,150 for a partial, then aim for the floor at VAL 7,132. Position sizing. Keep your stash safe by risking only 1 to 2% of your gold per trade. Trail your stops to break even once the first target is reached to ensure you don't get robbed in the night. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, bulls break the ridge. The posse finds a second wind and charges through 7,169. Setup. Enter long on a confirmed hold above 7,170. Stop at 7,150. Target the high plains at 7,202. Scenario B, ambush at the ridge. Price hits 7,169 and gets sent back to the desert in a hurry. Setup. Short the rejection of VAH. Stop at 7,180. Target 7,150 and then 7,135. Scenario C, the floor collapses. The saloon floor at 7,132 gives way under too much weight. Setup. Short a break below 7,132. Stop at 7,145. Target the lower trails near 7,110. Scenario D, the watering hole bounce. Price drifts to 7,150 and finds thirsty buyers ready to defend the square. Setup. Long at 7,150 on the signs of a turnaround. Stop at 7,140. Target 7,165. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.